Ladies and gentlemen, look who it is. The one and only Jason. See what you doing right now?
Man, you know, I've come a long way in a short amount of time. You know what I'm saying? It's a long way.
Yes, you have. So, if you guys don't remember, I let him drive my truck.
Stop it, man. You gotta be kidding me.
And he's like, I want to lift it. I'm going to run some bigger tires. He already has the bank stuff done to it. Like, man, you have just been busy. I mean, there's more boxes over here.
Oh, it's a lot.
And look right here. He also got the AEB bumper for the X. So he's getting ready to go with me. We're gonna get this installed. We also got the clearance kit. The front skid plate is right here. And I don't know if you guys remember, but this guy's truck was white.
It used to be white.
It used to be white. You know, I thought you said white was right. What's up with that?
I don't know, man. I'm changing in my old age. my wife tells me that all the time.
Yes. So yeah, you guys see he did get the truck wrapped and it looks amazing. Like,
Just full PPF.
yep, full PPF. So it's gonna last a lot longer compared to that vinyl stuff too. Yeah. So, and you guys saw the wheels. So those are 37s by 13 and a halves. You know, and these are fuel wheels.
Yep.
Man, I'm not gonna lie to you, bro. These things look good.
Yeah, I love them, man.
They look really good. Let's
Just caught my eye. That's the ones.
Yeah, and you want that murdered out look too, for sure. Let's go ahead and roll these over to my truck real quick. We're gonna put these in the back of mine. I want you guys to see the 37 by 13 and a half by these 38s. It's not a big difference. I mean, these are some big old, look right here. Look at how big this tire is compared to basically 35s. Like, it's a big difference. And then right over here, this is like the good in between. Like, it's not a big difference between the two. See that? Not a huge difference.
Not that much.
So yeah, these, man, my goodness. And you went with the Toyo Open Country RT Trails.
That's it, man.
If I could have got these in the 38s, I would have had these exact tires. But
I figured as much off-roading as I do. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm gonna need those, you know what I mean?
you're gonna need them. Hey, this concrete, man, it can get tricky on you. So
it can, dude.
You know, so yeah.
I mean, it's Utah. This weather's crazy. You know?
So, yeah, you just never know, man. So yeah, we're actually taking his truck to Tallboy to get the bumper installed. We were going to do it, but unfortunately we just got busy, and I think it'd be better if they did it. It might look a lot better, it might come out a lot better. So yeah, but look at the matted wrap with the bronze. So he got the blackout for the GMC, and he's getting rid of the red on the front, and I think it's gonna look perfect. So like I said, we're gonna go ahead and get down the road, and you guys are gonna see basically this truck transformed. So let me show you guys really quickly. We got the wheels and tires in there, 37 by 13 and a halves. Those are fuel wheels, I believe. I'll be sure to put them in the video for you guys. But yeah, Jason picked all this stuff. I didn't help him with anything with the wheels and tires. I think our buddy Lee did, but oh yeah, those wheels look really, really good. 20-inch wheels. They're probably 20 by 9. I think they're like a plus 10 offset, I believe. But yeah, overall, man, I think once you guys see his truck, it's gonna look super cool. And we're gonna put them side by side so we can see how they look next to each other. Now, he is getting it lifted with McGoy's. We're supposed to be putting together a trip really soon for that. So we'll get his truck lifted 2 more inches, and he's gonna have it pretty much completed. Then I think the last thing he's gonna do is probably weight loss program. So yeah, his truck looks super, super good right now. I mean, just with that matted finish, it looks killer. So here's what we're gonna do. Since Jason is following me, now he does have the Banks package basically. So he has the boost tubes, turbo inlet, intake, Derringer, and of course he has all the pans and the diff cover on his truck, which is all the things I have on my truck too. We're gonna see what his fuel economy is compared to my truck, since I have the 38 by 13 and a halves and my truck has weight loss, and his truck is essentially still stock with like suspension, wheels and tires. So we'll see what his is with the emissions intact. So yeah, so far I'm getting 11.4, going down because I'm accelerating, but yeah, we'll see where he is. I'm gonna try to take it easy, that way he doesn't feel the need to keep speeding up. So yeah, we'll see where the Philly Common lands when we get to our destination. All right, so here's where I'm at. 20.1 mpg, 16.4 miles driven, and 17.4 miles driven. Oh my gosh, guys, I will admit those 20s look super good on this truck so far. And we're gonna just kind of see the fitment right now without the clearance kit and the AEB bumper. But even if you're running, I think these are a +10 offset. Again, if I got it wrong, I'll put it in the video. But you will see that you will have to trim a lot with these bumpers. And some guys don't really care about that too.
Oh, really?
But yeah, here's the other side. But yeah, that looks super good. Not too aggressive on the offset. And it might even be, that might even be a 0. But yeah, 13.5s. I think that's the move too. 37 or 38. Or if you go 35, 13.5 is just the move in my opinion. All right, we're gonna turn the steering wheel just so you guys can see. You wanna come look real quick?
Yeah.
Oh, there we go.
There we go.
Nice. Oh, hold on, stop right there, let me see. So yeah, see it caught on this side. It's not bad though. That's not bad. That is not bad.
No, we're just gonna leave it and let the tire do all the trimming.
There you go. That's a good idea, Trevor, you know? And look, look, Tomboy is trying to save you some money on, you know, on the install, you know? There you go.
Critical thinking.
Yeah. Now, if you guys do want, well, once you guys do this, if somebody wants to bring the truck to get their AV bumper, winches, clearance kit, can they reach out to you guys?
Sure. Yeah, cool. If they want.
All right, that sounds good. I mean, hey, these guys know what they're doing over here.
This way, it should snag here.
Yeah, can you turn it that way real quick? I want to see. Yeah, it caught pretty good. Oh yeah, you see that?
Yeah, that one's gonna kiss.
Yeah. Yeah, that's good. Thank you.
Yeah.
That's awesome. All right, so we have Isaac. He's going to see if we can test. Yeah, I don't think it will, but I just want to see how much room there is, because it's very possible that you can air it all the way down and you use a ratchet strap to get it in here the best possible, because I might change my tire to at least a 37. So yeah, we'll see if it fits.
It'll be close.
Yeah, it will be close. We'll see. That sucker's heavy too.
Oh yeah. We'll definitely want to throw a chain or something on it. That's just a backup.
Yeah. I mean, it's going in there. Nope.
Close.
Yeah, it's hitting the diff cover. Yep.
No deal.
Yeah.
It's a little too big.
Yeah, it's not gonna fit. I mean, that's what I figured, but you might be able to get a 35 in there, but
Yeah, you should be able to get a 35 in there without any issues.
yeah. Even if we were to air that down, it's not gonna make a difference, really. Yeah, 37 is too big. Oh man, I was going just for a few hours, and man, look where we are. We pretty much got the factory bumper off, and we're gonna start getting the new one back on. But if you guys didn't watch my install video, I did an install video for this too. You do have to get a new weldment for the bumper for it to fit on here. So if you get your bumper at a wreck-yard like I did, you still have to get all the mounting hardware from them. Even like, actually I think these might, I can't remember if these were the weldments or this was the weldment, I can't remember, but yeah, all that has to be replaced with the AEV bumper. But yeah, this is not an easy job. I mean, I will say for a skilled guy like Isaac, I mean, it's still gonna probably take him easily 6 hours to get this done, minimum, just for the bumper, and not including getting all the cuts for the frame. Oh, he's already did that. So, oh my gosh, golly, he has, bro. Oh my gosh, man, you been busy, dude.
Oh yeah.
Golly, that looks amazing too. And then you already recoated it too.
Yeah, I already recoated it.
Yeah. Dang, dude.
Ready to throw it back together.
Yes, sir. Man, that was quick.
Oh yeah. These hands are magic.
Yes, they are. Yes, they are. But no, it's gonna look really good. So, for sure.
Yeah, this thing's gonna be a whole different machine.
Yeah. So, what would you rate this on a level of like 1 to 10 on like difficulty?
Difficulty? Really not too bad. I'd say it's about a 4 or 5. It's just a lot of stuff that you got to do and a lot of bolts to keep track of. But
yeah, true.
Really,
So,
it's not too hard. Just take your time with it and you can get it installed. It's really not bad.
so in other words, you're saying for someone like me, it's like a 10, you know, in terms of difficulty.
For like, you know, just like someone that just wants to do it, they don't do it every day, I'd say it's like maybe a 6 or 7. Just take your time with it. It's really not hard. You just gotta be careful not to cut too much out. And
True, that is true. Yeah, no, those cuts look perfect, man. Like, wow, they look great. Oh, now I'm excited for Jason. He's gonna love this, man. Thank you so much, dude.
I think he's gonna love it too.
Oh yeah.
2 days later.
All right, so it's been a couple days, and look who we have, Mr. Jason Benson in the flesh, man, dude.
How's it going, family? It's good to see you guys again.
All right, wait till you guys see that. Hey, what do you think, man? I want to get your reaction here.
I'm blown away.
Dude.
It's fantastic.
Dude, it looks killer. It looks.
If that doesn't look tough, I don't know what does.
What? Bro, that looks killer. These wheels?
Oh, bro, they're fantastic. I mean, yeah, I couldn't ask for anything better. I mean, I wore my black shirt, my black watch, my black ring, my black glasses to go with my black truck.
Absolutely.
I got my black friend holding the camera.
Dude, these 20s, sorry about that, guys, it was a little loud there, but yeah, the 20s. So these are fuel wheels.
Right.
They have a +1 offset, so I figured it out. +1 offset, and these are 37 by 13.5s, open country, Toyo tires. I'm telling you guys, it came out perfect. So we got to put our trucks side by side.
Oh, let's do it.
And what's the next thing you're going to be doing?
Oh, I'm lifting.
Magoy's coming soon.
McGoy's is coming soon.
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, and then the bumper. So Jason said he got to have that off-road bumper. So we did get his from AEV, and he got a really good deal on it. So we got it from a Chrysler store that sells AEV stuff, and they actually were ordering some stuff for the store, and so they put this in, so we got a little bit of a deal on freight. So yeah, and hopefully we're gonna get some, hopefully we'll get some good news on a winch, because because we don't want to spend $2,300 on that.
No.
Yeah, so we might be able to get another winch option here, so stay tuned for that. But man, all the protection is there. If you are looking to get this bumper, you have to get these separate from the bumper because they don't sell it at AEV, so you have to get these closeouts, and then you have the skid plate right there. But yeah, it came out really nice. Look at the +1 offset on the side.
That might be my favorite thing.
Yeah,
just that.
That's your favorite thing?
It might be. Yeah, I just love it. I don't like it when they're out too wide.
Yeah.
That look is really sharp.
Yeah, it is perfect. Look at that. It's just poking just a hair, just a +1 offset. And yeah, I think it looks great.
It's fantastic, man.
And these 37s gave you a little bit more of a height. Like, it's not a big difference, but you can tell it's noticeably taller with these tires. Yeah.
My wife is going to be really happy with me.
She's going to love it.
She's going to say, Jason, you need to buy me another vehicle.
You had to murder her truck at her Tahoe out.
That's the next video, people.
Yeah, there you go. All right, let's take it for a quick drive.
Yeah, let's do it.
Cool. So I guess you got your wheels with some sensors in there, huh?
Yeah, man. They came with the sensors already ready to go.
Nice.
I feel like I'm riding a little taller already.
Yeah,
you know what I'm saying? I feel higher.
Yeah, Jesus. Well, Jesus calls us higher, so I mean, sometimes we got.
Jesus does.
You know, so sometimes we got to go a little higher. You know.
sometimes that's the correct way to go. You know what I'm saying? Sometimes.
Yeah. Yeah, so these are the 20s on 37s.
Oh, this feels good.
Oh yeah.
So nice.
It does feel softer actually.
Yeah.
And if you don't know, the AT4Xs come with 18, so just going even with the extra tire, I mean with the extra wheel, I guess there's a little bit more wheel.
Yeah.
So probably a little less tire compared to like an 18, but still though, it feels good. How are the tires loud?
No.
They probably are a little bit softer and a little bit quieter than your factory ones were.
This ride's actually better. Hitting these potholes.
Yeah.
It's not as jarring.
Wow.
And that's why I'm excited to get the
gosh.
kid on it as well, the McCoys, because I'm going to be cruising across the country a lot. I'm putting miles on this truck every day.
Nice.
And I just want a smooth ride as I'm going.
Yeah. Well, I can assure you, right? What I'm feeling right now, this feels good, and with the lift, it's gonna transform even more so. So, and hopefully we're gonna be getting the M84s from the McCoys too, which is their shock absorbers and has an external reservoir. So that's gonna even give us a little bit more of that dampening to give us a little bit better quality ride over these Multimatics. So I'm excited to get mine. I can't wait to switch. I like my Multimatics.
Yeah, yeah.
But trust me, I've already driven in a prototype truck with their M84s, and it's just a hair better. You can tell the difference. So, but dude, you did a good job, man. I'm going to definitely tell you. I didn't help him with the wheels, guys. He did the wheels. He did all that. I just he did the matte finish. He's like going back and forth between matte black and Army green.
Correct.
You did good on the matte black. I like the matte black for sure.
Was good.
Yeah.
And how you go about picking out wheels is you just open up the website, everybody. You pray. And then you close your eyes and you point. Right, and that's how I got these wheels.
Yeah, and
right.
Man, you did good, dude. That was great pointing. So
the Lord will direct your path.
Absolutely.
Right.
Yep. Be still, let the Lord fight your battles.
That's
for
right,
sure.
Man.
Yeah. That's awesome, man. Now, your truck looks great. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. You know, Jason is going to be. There's some more things you're going to be doing, but we'll see how everything rolls out.
Yeah. We're gonna have a good time.
He can't stay still, but like this looks good though. I'm really happy for you, man. I kind of like the 20s, man. Like, golly, those 20s do look good.
Oh,
they look really good.
Yeah, they're awesome.
Isaac, thank you, bro.
Yeah, sure.
Did a phenomenal job with the cuts for the mud flap and everything. So if you guys want to get your truck done,
yeah, bring them to us. We'll do a fantastic job for you.
Absolutely. Tall Boy Truck Equipment here in West Valley, Utah.
Yep.
Thank you, bro.
Of course.
Go back this way. So it's clearing on this side. It touches just a hair, but on that side it is clipping a little bit.